How do I become a successful real estate agent? Kevin Bratch says, be available. Build network. Maintain budget. Understand your client. Don't be afraid to take risk. Alex Garrett says, be yourself first, and be the real estate agent that you would want to sell your $5 mill property. Look in the mirror. Look, the fact of the matter is this. Do what makes you happy and not what your broker says or YouTube or anybody else. Be very sensitive to people. People have to sell because somebody died, or divorced, or won the lottery, or just had a baby. We never know, so never just pop off at the mouth with commission breath. Just the art of being you. When you find an area of real estate that you like, i.e. FSBO, then design a system around it to duplicate it, then you'll be rich. The art of being yourself. Success is defined as doing what the heck I want. So do you mean money or happiness? That's why I said look in the mirror. You have your license, you already won. Somebody is waiting on you right now. Phoebe Williams says, to become a successful real estate agent you have to keep improving yourself. And one practical aspect that you have to keep on improving is your skill in building relationships with your clients. You know that relationships are vital in this business. If you know how to build good relationships with your clients, you have already gone a long way. Going back to the basics of knocking on the doors of your farmed neighborhood and getting to know the people, there is already a means of marketing yourself and generating leads. One way that could help you improve your skill in building relationships is through hosting open house events. Through this you will get to know the people in your location who could be your potential leads and referrals. So to become a successful real estate agent, keep on improving, especially on the skill of building relationships. I hope this insight helps you. Thanks for watching our video on, how do I become a successful real estate agent?